Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I will show you how to check your login methods. Basically, this I'm trying to it's useful in the case where, according to the Musically support website, if you forget your email address, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter account, or phone number associated with your account, you can check all this information by doing what I'm about to show you. Okay, so it's helpful for like in times where you forgot your login information. Okay, so let's open up the Musically app. Once you have it open, to check all this information, first begin by going to your profile, and to do that, look on the bottom right corner. Do you see the little person icon? Tap on that and it will turn black when I tap on it. As you can see, this takes you to your profile. Once you're here, look on the upper right corner. Do you see the little gear to the right of where it says KahindoTech? Tap on that. Alright. Once you have tapped on that, a menu should appear from the bottom of your phone. Tap on where it says settings. Alright, it will take you here to your settings. Now, once here, scroll down until you reach the account section. Tap on where it says my account information. And there you go. This gives you all like your login information. So right now, I only have my email. That's why it's kind of giving me a hint of what email I used to log in. But if you log in with your number, Facebook, Instagram account, or Twitter account, it should give you all the information over here. So that's how you check your login method. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.